Have you ever wondered what would happen if you took a car for a spin on the Hirochi Raceway and randomized all of its parts every time you raced a lap? Me neither. But today, we're doing it anyways. First of all though, we need to see what car we get. For that, I've turned to the wheel of names, and I've entered every single name of every single car there is in the game. Let's spin and see what we get. Please don't be a bus. Please don't be a bus or a T-Series or something. Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's the Bastion. That's what we like to see. Really good car. Now, in order to make this more challenging, I took one of the base versions of this car, but you'll see, we're gonna need it later. But anyways, without further ado, let's just start the car and start racing. You know, this video is gonna be interesting. Like, actually, really bothers me whether or not we're gonna be able to complete those 10 laps, because by the 10th lap we're gonna end up with something absurd, I'm sure. I think we'll be happy to have all 4 wheels. But anyways, let me lock in so that, you know, we can actually get a race going. Nice water. Turn off traction control. I'm really sorry for my driving skill, but you know, I don't even have a driver license. IRL. Oversteer there, almost spun out. Okay. I also want to do this in multiplayer, but I think it's gonna be harder because of the average monkey intellect of 12-year-olds that play this game while multiplayer. I'll start reading everything. I don't know. I no hate towards them, of course, but you know, surely I won't be able to just record everything in one take without the communities behaving on that. Nothing wrong with that. Just saying. Okay, so now that we completed the first lap, it's time for some randomizing. Now, the mod I'm using is called Crazy Contraptions. It's made by Angelo234. If you wanna use it, it's just really accessible. It's in the repository. But you know, let's get randomizing, I guess. First of all, we're going to have to add this app to our UI. It's over here, as you can see. Let's just drag it somewhere cozy for it, I guess. Now, let's just see what we get. So of course, this is how our car looks. Sounds normal. Is normal. Not for long though. Let's just scramble everything. Oh my god. What is this? Let's see, does it even turn on? Oh my god, it does. What engine is this? What's wrong with our wheels? Yeah, I told you guys this was gonna be crazy. Look, we've even got a taxi number over there. Anyone needs a ride? I'll pick you up. Okay, anyways, let's just... Oh, what's wrong with... Hello? I don't have the driver cam. Okay, well, I guess we're sticking to... Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's automatic. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh, I don't think we have a steering column. Like I'm turning the wheel. I don't know if you can see it, and nothing's happening. Oh my god! I can't believe this. This already broken. Oh Jesus! As you might be able to tell, cars breaking or simply not working at all represent a common occurrence in this video. That's why I sometimes needed to scramble parts multiple times just to get the car to move. Let's just scramble again and see what happens. Nothing could go wrong, right? Right? Okay. Turns on apparently. Why do we have a tow hitch? What's wrong with? Is that a bash bar? And look at our front wheels. Look how they compare to the. Oh my god! What's this? Oh Jesus! Oh, that's so bright. Okay, let's just go. Okay, so this is an automatic. Do we have driver's cam? Oh, look at the interior. It's like the police car interior. Just saw it. We've got power steering there. It's fully locked. Wow, that was close. That was close. Okay, let's just cut some speed here. The tachometer is not right. Like it's displaying less available RPMs. The fastest driver there is, especially with those cars. Look, I'm fully pressing the brakes. Oh Jesus. Okay, that's another lap. Let's just randomize again. Let's just scramble everything. Okay. This looks like a normal car. Does it have a drive shaft? Doesn't seem like it. Or maybe it does. I'm just not seeing. Yeah. Let's turn this on. It's automatic. Yeah. Oh. Okay, and it's not turning. Again. Take two. Okay, got this again. Let's just do it again. Oh my god. Okay, and I think we're back to the base version, like 5.7 liter sport. Except we don't have steering. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, we have steering. Oh, look at oh, no texture, okay. Look at our rear wheels. Look how they compare to the front. Okay, this is gonna be fun. I can tell this is gonna be fun. Brake. No. Let's see what we get this time. Hopefully not the boss. Okay. No, not the Wydra. Oh my god, that was so close to disaster. That was so close to disaster. To the literal death of the video. Oh my god, that was really close. This is the car in question. K-Series. I just chose a really fleet type of the car. Let's scramble everything. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay, no. Maybe we shouldn't scramble all parts. No, sorry, scramble everything, because it also fiddles with camber and, you know. Let's just scramble all parts. Okay, this seems crazy enough. Can we turn the wheel? Yeah, we can. Oh my god, that looks so horrible. Oh. Okay, we've got nitrous. Look at that. Yeah, hell yeah, let's turn on nitrous. Let's... Oh god, what's going on? I try to brake. Oh Jesus! I turned the wheel wheel. Whenever I turn the wheel, this happens. Okay, let's reach some absurd speeds. Oh my god. Jesus. My whole table shaking. Oh. No. Wait. I tried to complete one lap. It's called one lap. Oh god. One lap. It's just terrible. You have to turn. I'm scared my wheel will come off. Jesus. Like my other wheel, I mean. I think this is caused by the body panels constantly clipping with those donk wheels. As you can see, this mode is fun. Push, right. Oh well, why? This is not good. It's like someone's trying to drill a hole or something. I wonder what my neighbors are thinking. They hear me talking to the display and no. Cam in the future. Things like this are happening. Okay. We completed this lab. Okay, this is enough. Okay, and I saved the best for last. We're gonna go in the base pigeon, scramble all parts. Okay, scramble them again. I think this is crazy enough. It's even got nitrous. What the hell is this, dude? Okay, let's go. Oh wait, we can wheelie. We can wheelie. Why is the flywheel is so heavy? It feels like. Maybe we're just back heavy. Wait, I want to try something. What if we just go into reverse? Get a bit of a head start. Going to first floor. Okay. Yeah, I just thought. Okay, that makes sense. Let's just race this thing. Oh my god. Look at how tiny the pigeon's cabin is. Holy Jesus! That's the nitrous kicking in. Oh no! Oh my god, I knew there was something wrong. I just overtorqued my engine.